Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, about to spread some paint on a 16 by 20 inch canvas and then dribble some shovels, because it can be fun to dribble shovels. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. It's available on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is below the link tree. It's on the link tree. The link tree is below the video. The black paint I'm spreading is Meeden black paint, and it will usually, for me, cover in one go, which is pretty amazing on a white canvas. We shall see. We shall see. I need it to work. And once I have it spread to cover, I will go over it one more time to make sure I don't see any canvas through. As levelly as I can. See a little canvas right there, a little right here. And then I'm going to take my shovel and my squeeze bottles of paint. Do I see anything else? No. Oh, that was a little piece of canvas. Wow, that was on the edge. The edges I could probably use my finger tomorrow if I had to. I'm going to throw my shovel in the bucket. Grab my little shovel. Yeah, I threw my spatula in the bucket. That is some Arteza gold. Whoa! The top just moved like it was going to explode. Not good. Alright, and there's a paint chip stuck to this one. This is my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is my purple flash from Folk Art. That's a color shift. This is a hot orchid. And that's an amethyst from Artist Loft. The hot orchid is from Color Art. I kind of figured however I start, I usually end by wanting to add some gold to things. So I figured if I started this way, I could put more than one shovelful on, and that might work well. So let's flip it around and use my turquoise next. I'm still going to use gold as long as it's available and coming out. I like the golden hour in there, but I'm a lot nervous about... Yeah, it was on its way out. Wow. Alright, I'm going to do it over here where it's safer and not above the painting. I'm going to throw a little bit of my Anita's white metallic that has some pink in it. A little bit of dioxazine purple. A little bit of electric blue, if it'll come out, which it's not coming out. It was open a moment ago. Alright, I've got some. I like the colors I had, so I'm going to do that again. Only this time I'm going to add some Venetian blue before I add that pink. Oh, I said I was going to put turquoise in there, didn't I? Yes, I did. So let's do that. Let's wish that everything that was open, it would still be open. And it really actually was open. It was just had the tiniest little skin. Alright, here goes nothing. Wow, I'm nervous. Kind of want some more of that turquoise right over there. I might be tempted by a little more pink too. Let some out of the shovel at the edge of the canvas. I forgot my purple. Ha! Alright, well I've got some purple that I wanted to use. think it's going to hurt anything, but I do think it needs to be stirred up. I tried to put some of the Minwax wood conditioner into this, thinking I would be fortunate and be able to make some cells or another cell activator, but it did not work. So I'm going to use it up. Kind of wish I'd put some pale blue in there, which I still could do. I still thought I was going to tip up until a second ago. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'm not sure I'm going to tip or not. I think I might be done. It's calling orange to me. That could be dangerous. Let's try a little bit here and there. I don't think that's going to hurt anything at all. It's definitely still tempting to want to tip, but I think I would be sorry because I don't think it's going to get a whole lot more. I think it's cute. Right, like it is. And I like just adding the ribbons. And they'll be nice and shimmery ribbons because that's a metallic blue and that's a color shifting turquoise. Anything else? Maybe? Not sure about that. The purple seems to want to sink, which is okay with me right now. It's not hurting my feelings at all. Do I want any more orange? I have colors in my shovel. I think I will want to use some of the gold. Yep, definitely. As in, why not? Or because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link that's underneath, it's included on the link tree. That's the first blue link under the video. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more for shopping my gear. Also, my brand new venue for fashion, high fashion is Le Gallerist, and it's clothing made in Montreal. Beautiful patterns that I picked primarily because they looked so beautiful on these dresses. And then their designers made them fit just perfectly. They have kimono tops and a bunch of different style dresses and shirts, all over prints. They're just gorgeous. If you're looking for a less expensive alternative or you'd like to help the studio out, pixels.com, Fine Art America, have over 1,400 items. But there's also all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts on Teespring, which is the clothing that you see below the video. This is just cute. I've wanted to allow myself to just indulge in cute colors for quite a while. They're practically Easter eggs. I've used up almost all my paint. I want to tell you guys that there's a monthly drawing every single month, and there's an exhibition video every single month. And I put the prizes for the drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video, and you can see the exhibition video on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of every video. Yes, I am dotting to my heart's content, and I am not minding a bit. There's a little bit of other color in that gold, but it's going to shimmer quite nicely. And if I got a couple more dots, come on, you can do it, drip. There we go. And I think I'm going to call it good right now. So I have over 2,000 videos and they're on playlists, and if you want to find them, go to my YouTube channel and you'll find creative playlists, all playlists. I got enough wet paint to cover that little spot that I could see on the canvas. And I'm going to cover up my purple paint again and read my crib notes. So please like my videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, it'd make me really happy. Thank you very much for doing so. When you share my videos, it's a big assistance to me. The biggest assistance of all is when you watch longer. I think I'm just about, I should have saved a little bit of that paint for my shovel, but I could probably scavenge a little bit more. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, it is possibly the best way you could help my channel survive, because it's not happening much lately. And that you can contact me using that email address that's directly underneath the link tree. When you click show more, you need the hashtag file number from the title of the video or the exhibition date of the exhibition video you're looking at and the time you saw what you were looking interested in. So, what else can I tell you? I have a community board and tomorrow's video is often on it. Put a little spiral in here. I know, there are no spirals. There could be though. There could be right now. Really? No. Yes. There's one. There's another one. We'll just put a few in. We'll put a few in, that's my story until I'm done. No, I'm pretty good without them overpopulating this. I think a few here and there are going to be good. I'm going to steal some paint. Put one right in there. Assuming it will stay. Okay, so that's, where was I? Questions you can ask me if you're looking for my paint pouring recipe. It's underneath, show more underneath the video. I think I've told you almost everything. My paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe, which I did not use in this, are both under show more under the video. I didn't get a lot of cells, but I also didn't tip. And if I had tipped, I probably would have gotten some cells. But I like what I have, so I'm okay with that. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Oh, yeah. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And if you're interested, just send me an email. Really like this. Very, whoa, nice. It doesn't usually zoom in that close. I don't know what's, I'm just not an aficionado on cameras at all. But I can paint. Nice colors. Really, really oil slick puddle colors. I love these colors. All right. I love you guys too. I say goodbye for now. And I will see you anon. Make sure you check for my 2 books because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. See ya. Hopefully soon. I post 7 days a week. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. Bye for now. Priscilla out.